Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz. So as you can see there from the top, this is the thumbnail. I'll just move that out of the way so you can see. Thumbnail. This is the thumb wheel. So there you go, up to the top, and then it's highlighted at the top. Cross to telephone, click telephone. See telephone down at the bottom here. Go down to telephone, click telephone. You've got Bluetooth telephones and import contacts. Bluetooth telephones, you see my phone there, thumb wheel to it, and then we knock the thumb wheel across. Make sure that's highlighted in white, click on it, and you've got deauthorize there. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 10? Yes. That's it.